Well, hello and welcome to another video. I'm Phil
And Justin.
and this is the ultimate guide to Valletta. Let's check it out.
So the first thing you need to know is this. If you skip the steep uphill walk, the absolute best way to get from the cruise terminal to Valletta is the Barrakka Lift. It's fast, it's cheap, and it takes you straight from the waterfront up to the historic city centre in less than 30 seconds. And quite honestly, the views alone are worth it. You'll get incredible panoramic views of the harbour and the three cities before you even start exploring. As soon as you exit the lift, you're right next to the stunning Upper Barrakka Gardens. Now, this is one of the best viewpoints in all of Malta. From here, you can overlook the famous Grand Harbour and watch the ferries and traditional Maltese boats crossing the water. If you time it right, you can also catch the saluting battery cannon firing ceremony. From outside it looks pretty simple, but inside it's absolutely breathtaking. St John's Co-Cathedral is one of the most impressive churches in Europe, filled with gold details, marble floors and masterpieces by Caravaggio. Even if you're not usually into churches, this place is unforgettable. One of the best things to do in Valletta is just getting lost. The city is packed with charming side streets, colourful wooden balconies, hidden cafes and incredible architecture around every corner. Make sure to walk down Republic Street and Merchant Street for shopping, food and local atmosphere. Now don't leave Malta without trying the food.
We got ice cream. That's
2 medium ice creams, €9. Make sure you enjoy it. Oi! Is it good?
yeah, it's good. I don't know what is better than this.
It's got big crunchy bits in it. Did you get one? Well, that was fairly mediocre, but it's important to stay hydrated, so that's what's coming up next. Cheers. Lovely pie cheese.
To finish your day, head towards Fort St Elmo at the tip of the city. This historic fort played a major role in the Great Siege of Malta, and today it offers amazing coastal views and a chance to experience Valletta's military history. The walk there is beautiful, especially near sunset. So there you have it, the top 6 things to do in Valletta. And remember, when you leave the port, head straight for the Barrakka Lift. It's the easiest, fastest and most scenic way into the city. If this helped you to plan your next Maltese stop, don't forget to like, subscribe and enjoy your time in Valletta. I'll see you on the next one.